It is the APDS9999 proximity, light, and color sensor. I have it plugged in via stemma QT cable to the I2C bus of a little cutie pie, reading the red, green, blue, IR, lux, and proximity, and printing all of those out. Real close up, and it's going to bring the lux up there to around 10,000. And then as I move that away, it gets darker and darker. Using a little formula to just give me color temperature, change the color temperature as the proximity increases. So you'll notice as my finger gets in front of the light there, it goes from cool to warm to amber lighting. You can just see that kind of reflected off of my finger and the little desk mat there. I can also do it with the light itself. So as that comes closer, it's just going to turn warm. It is the APDS9999 proximity, light, and color sensor.